Hello boys and girls, welcome back. I hope your preparation are going good. Now this video I am recording for IPCC student where I will be discussing the balance part in RTP. So November 2020 RTP में IT part we have already covered in one video. In this video I will be discussing SM part, sir. Now also to tell you, sir, I have recorded the SM revision videos on my YouTube channel, sir. So if required, you may also take the benefit of those revision videos also. Similarly, last attempt, in other words, May 2020 RTP was also discussed and it is uploaded on our YouTube channel. Now, whenever you are writing the exam, sir, it is advisable to go through the RTPs. Now, RTP of that attempt, RTP of previous attempts are very important. So, if required, you may also go through RTP of May 2020 where SM part is recorded, sir. I will be providing the link of the same in the description box also, and also at the end of this video you will be able to see that. Now without wasting any time, sir, let us discuss strategic management part of your November 2020 RTPs. Now, so here what is my observation, sir? Now compared to your IT, the questions drafted here are excellent. Now yes, they have taken, ICA has taken lots of efforts in drafting the question. Whereas in IT, if at all you have observed, now all the questions were very direct. In fact, I told you the MCQ was forcefully created. In fact, without reading the case study, if you read the question, you may be able to solve those MCQs. But here, it will be a bit difficult for you to solve this. So very properly, they have drafted the questions. Sometimes some questions are very tricky also, sir. Okay. So first question is MCQ, very lengthy case study type MCQ is given, sir. Let us try to read it, sir. Connect Private Limited, a Mumbai-based company, is launching a smartphone under the brand name Poppy. The company recognizes plethora of options. Plethora means various options that customers have from Chinese manufacturers flooding the smartphone landscape. With recent COVID-19 pandemic hurting the global sentiment towards Chinese product, the company plans to play a patriotic card and advertise Poppy as the Desi smartphone of India. So in other words, first para is trying to say that company is trying to manufacture a smartphone instead of make in China, they want to go for make in India, sir. Okay, so this is the part each this para is talking about, sir. Strategic arm, nothing but department, and those strategic managers of the company. So strategic arm of the company undertook an industry analysis. So they have under what do you say analyzed the total industry and reported that a budget phone segment was overtaken by Chinese brand completely. However, the low segment of smartphone was still open for exploration. So in other words, strategic department of this company is saying what, sir? The budget what you say phones is already taken over. In other words, saturated. The market is saturated. But here we are trying to go for a new segment of customers. Who are those new segments, sir? Low segment customers. So whereby we will be selling the phones at very low price, sir. So they have come up with two models, brand Poppy A, Poppy B. So Poppy A they intend to sell at 4499 and Poppy B they intend to sell at 45499. So these are all low segment customers, low segment smartphones. So here we are targeting low segment people only. Next, the company is also aware that their product can easily be imitated at the same costing as well as pricing. Okay, so risk of imitation is there, it seems. So in order to ensure that this risk of imitation is mitigated, sir, what is the solution their department has provided? So solution that was suggested was to take the first mover advantage by spending huge sums on advertisement and promotion. So whereby if they spend more on advertisement promotion, so more and more customers will be knowing their product. So they will be buying this product instead of buying any other competitors products. Okay. Based on sound consciousness of the competition from huge money backed international players, the company decided to manufacture smartphone covers. Okay. So here, apart from mobile phones, they also want to go for accessories. So smartphone covers and accessories. Accessories मतलब earphones etc. we are talking about. with the same Desi tag along with Poppy smartphones. So can I say here they are going with another additional item. What is that another additional item, sir? First they will be selling the smartphone, and here they want to sell those accessories and covers also, sir. Okay, this shall help them mitigate the risk of completely thrown out of the business. In other words, can I say today company is dealing in portfolio of products. So one product in portfolio is smartphone, another product in portfolio is what, sir? Accessories oblique covers. So can I say if tomorrow if this business does not go good, so can I say still they have one backup plan, sir. So this is what they are trying to say. So this shall help them in mitigating the risk of being completely thrown out of the business. You know? Yeah. So consequently, they have invested a fair good amount in manufacturing of this accessory. Very good. The investors made it an objective for the team to reach an annual sales volume. So can I say this is an objective? Objectives are nothing but what, sir? Performance targets. So this is one performance targets which the investor has kept, sir. What? In an year 15,000 handsets should be sold and 70,000 pieces of accessories has to be sold. Very good. The accessories sales surpassed the expectation, meaning, sir, we thought only 70,000 are to be sold, but they were able to sell more than 70,000. However, Poppy A and Poppy B, can I say these are nothing but those smartphones, did not receive much anticipated response. So obviously, they have sold less than the targets. And the leadership decided to reduce the scope. Reduce the scope matlab kya, sir? Moving forward, they don't want to manufacture these many headsets and focus purely on. So your more focus should be on what, sir? Accessories market, sir. Okay. So they want to, in future, they want to manufacture more of accessories, and they are not saying that they want to completely go out of the mobile phone, sir. We just want to reduce the scope and focus purely on. Acha. So better thing is what, sir? They want to focus only on accessories market. They don't want to go for smartphones, sir. Very good. With the new focus on accessories production, the Desi tag will still, Desi matlab kya, sir? Local, है ना? So make in India tag we are talking about. So Desi tag will still play an important part in the success. However, they need to ensure creation of strong barriers. Now can I say, just because they are dominating this accessories market, so chances are very very bright tomorrow a new player may also enter the market, sir. So here they want to stop that new player. How they are doing this? By creating entry barriers. And how they are creating this entry barriers, sir? Let's read it. However, they need to ensure creation of strong barriers to entry for domestic players, and for that they have plans to increase the production to enormous level. So they want to manufacture in bulk. So if you manufacture in bulk, sir, can I say huge quantities may, your operating cost will reduce. So can I say your cost per unit will come down. This is nothing but a benefit of economies of scale. So let's see, sir. This shall reduce their unit cost, thus eliminating the new entrant, sir. How it will eliminate the new entrant, sir? Simple. Can I say when my cost per unit will reduce, so I can afford to sell at a low price. If I am able to sell at low price, can I say I am following cost leadership strategy? And can I say if I follow cost leadership strategy, for a new entrant, he may not be able to manufacture in those bulk quantities. So can I say new entrant will not enter the market? So did I create a barrier for new entrant? Answer is yes. Can I say this type of analysis we have done in Michael Porter's 5 forces competitive model, sir, where if you remember, sir, there were 5 forces, there were 5 ways in which a business will get competition. Okay, so let's read further. Based on the above case scenario, answer the multiple choice question. Okay. Connect Private Limited. Now, presently I am discussing old syllabus. Now, that doesn't mean new syllabus students cannot watch this video, sir. More or less, your SM syllabus in new what you say CA Inter also is more or less in the same manner only, sir. So this RTP can be seen by both old syllabus people also and new syllabus people. That is different thing. And presently I am discussing RTP for old syllabus. Next. So Connect Private Limited entered a saturated market. Yes, smartphone was a saturated market, but there can I say they were focusing more on what, sir? A low cost wala products, sir, है ना? So you can see here they were focusing more on low segment of smartphones. Okay, after a due market study, correct, they have done the market studies. What they observed was Chinese manufacturers have, can I say, dominated completely in what, sir? uh, Budget phones. So can I say they have dominated, Chinese brands have dominated in budget phones. That's the reason they did not go for budget phone. Budget phone matlab kya, sir? 30,000 40,000 wala phone है ना, that they don't want to manufacture. They want to manufacture more of these products. Okay, so Connect Private Limited entered a saturated market. Saturated matlab where new growth is not there, sir. So entered a saturated market of smartphone after a due market study of understanding the competitive landscape. Okay, put the below steps in the current sequence of understanding the competitive landscape. Sir, first question as a student you should ask is, what is competitive landscape? Now, remember one point, sir. Competitive landscape concept is not discussed in old syllabus. Yes, it is there in new syllabus, sir, but not there in old syllabus. So, in fact, in old syllabus RTP, this question should have not been asked, sir. But still, because it is there, Hannah, I would like to discuss few points of competitive landscape. See, competitive landscape is nothing but what, sir? When you are entering any business, sir, you have to know who are your competitors, what are their strengths, and what are their weaknesses. In other words, you analyzing your competitor is what I mean by competitive landscapes. So this is a part of your new syllabus. So I'll just show you competitive landscape. So second chapter of new syllabus mein this is discussed. So you can see here meaning of competitive landscape. So competitive landscape is nothing but identifying and understanding whom competitors. So you have to identify, you have to understand who's are competitors. How you will understand, sir? By knowing their vision, mission, and what are their core values, and what are those specialities, what are those people ka strength, weaknesses. In other words, understanding your competitor is what I mean by what, sir? Competitive landscape. Now, if you want to do competitive landscape, these are the steps. Now, 5 steps they are there, sir. Now, sir, here let's not waste our time in understanding these 5 steps. Yes, if it is a new syllabus student, sir, he will automatically understand what are these 5 steps I am talking about. So first you should identify your competitor, then understand him, then find out his strength, find out his weakness, and last may put everything into one place, and overall analysis you have to do, sir. Okay, so these are those 5 steps which you have to do in competitive landscape. Now, if at all you see the question, what he is asking, sir, in niche they have given you some sequence. Now you have to arrange them, sir. So can I say 4 points are written, and now you have four options also. Now you have to arrange them. Can I say, if you remember, first point what we have what you have read there was identifying the competitors. You can see here first point was identifying the competitor. Now if at all you are very intelligent, sir, try to find out identifying the competitor is point number 3, sir. Agreed? So can I say in these options you have to check which is point number 3, sir. So can I say this is what third it is talking about, sir? Here 1 it is saying, 2 it is saying, 1 it is saying, sir. So all these options are irrelevant. So here my answer is B. First I will identify the competitor. After identifying the competitor I have to understand him. After understanding the competitor I have to know his strength and then his weakness, and put all the information into it. In other words, in our answer this was 3 and 4. Can I say strength was 3, weakness was 4, sir? Anyway, so I say has matlab this option has merged both, sir. So this is my answer, sir. Next, annual sales volume as an objective by investor was crucial to establish the company in the market. In which stage of strategic management are such annual objectives especially important? So here you should know stage of strategic management and then annual objectives you should. Now remember, how many stages are there in strategic management, sir? 5. What are those, sir? First wala, you have to lay down your vision, then you have to lay down your objectives. Now when I say vision, obviously here mission will also come, sir. When I say objectives, obviously here goals will also come, sir. Then you have to craft the strategy, then you have to implement the strategy, then you have to evaluate the strategy. Now, can I say objectives we are talking about, sir? So which stage may annual objectives will be more important, sir? Obviously in stage number 2. So can I say, so here vision, okay, annual sales volume as an objective by an investor was crucial to establish the company in the market. In which stage of strategic management are such annual objectives especially important? So can I say objectives are laid down in second stage, but here option may let us see, sir. Formulation he is talking about, control he is talking about, evaluation he is talking about, implementation he is talking about. Now, if at all, and I am going through the what you say all these options which are given, sir. Now I assume that something is wrong in this all the options, sir. So better option should have been objectives only, sir. That is stage 2, but that option itself is not provided, sir. Now next question would be, what could be a better answer, sir? Now if at all we have to talk about the next best answer, sir, it could be implementation, sir. Why? Can I say at implementation stage only you are more bothered about what, sir? Those targets. Which targets? Now if you remember in our question also, those targets were given. We want 15,000 handsets, we want 70,000 pieces of accessories, sir. So can I say we are more interested in achieving these targets at the time of implementation, sir. So here, though this is not exact answer, sir, but still because I don't have the option of objectives, I will be going for point number D, sir. Sorry, option number D, sir. Okay. Now let's go for third question, sir. Now we are presently discussing question number 1 only. Usme third part we are discussing. Yeah. Following the sales number reported at the end of the year, the leadership took a serious strategic standpoint to move forward and shift to new core business which was more profitable, sir. So what was that new core business, sir? Accessories market. So can I say we want to stop what, sir? Mobile phone, and go for what, sir? Accessories. Under which of the following category of business strategy can this decision be categorized? So here we want to cut down, we want to stop something and then go for new things. So if we want to cut down, can I say this comes under retrenchment strategy? Agreed? So here retrenchment strategy would be a better answer. Now strategic alliance will be waste, and a diverse no, market development no, sir. So better answer here would be a retrenchment strategy. And if you remember retrenchment strategy may we have three ways of retrenchment, sir. Or retrenchment can be done in these ways, sir. One is your turnaround, one is your divestment, one is your liquidation. So here retrenchment may be more better answer here was divestment. So here we have a divested which business, sir? Mobile business, and we are focusing only on accessories, sir. Now remember one point, sir. At the time of the start only, we started with business number A, business number B, sir. Agreed? So later on, we want to discontinue business number A and we want to continue business number B. That's the reason I'm saying retrenchment. Okay, next. Fourth wala point, sir. After getting results from the market. Now, what is after getting results from the market? Accessories business of the company can be classified under which category of BCG matrix? Now, after getting results, matlab, can I say we have a targeted for 70,000 units of sales. Yeah. So that was our objective, sir. So what was our target, sir? 70,000 accessories has to be sold. Did we sell 70,000 or more than that? We have sold more than that, sir. Okay. Now, so now my question to you people is, matlab, option question here is, sir, here that accessories is coming under which stage, sir? Now can I say, if you remember BCG matrix, sir, here we had something called question mark, here we had something called dog, here we had something called cash cow, here we have something called star. Now, sir, obviously our accessory will not be a dog, sir. Obviously our accessories will not be a question mark also, sir. Reason being very simple, sir. Can I say here market share is also high? Now if you remember, question mark is a stage where market growth is high, share is low. But can I say more than 70,000 share is decent enough, sir? Sir, here market growth is also high, market share is also high. Here market growth is low but market share is high, sir. Agreed? So now these two options are irrelevant. Now options which we have to select is either your star or cash cow, sir. Now if at all and I have to analyze the things, sir, I would always opt for star, sir. Reason being very simple, sir. Here matlab question is not complete enough, sir. Here we can assume that their market growth is still there, sir. Nowhere it is shown that market growth in accessories market is not there, sir. So if at all our assumption is market growth is still there, so can I say my answer would be star. If at all our assumption is market growth is not there, then our answer should be cash cows. Now question is, sir, whether those assumptions can be right in MCQ? Answer is no, sir. So as a situation may, now you have to think exactly what ICI is thinking. So for that I would like to see the answer, sir. So fourth ka answer, if at all we can see, fourth ka answer they have gone for cash cow only, sir. See as an option, sir. So here cash cow is the answer they have preferred. Again I am telling you, sir, here exact point question is not showing, sir. Now they should have told that if future market growth for accessories is not there, sir. So they did not mention such points, sir. Yes, for mobile phones they have mentioned. What was the point, sir? The market is saturated market. So when you say saturated market, it means what? Market growth is not there. But such points were not mentioned for accessories, sir. So here dual answers are possible, sir. But here in our what do you say answers, C is the point which they have talked about, sir. So let us go for C only, sir. Next, fifth point. In the second phase of shifting the business, second phase of shifting the business focus to peripheral accessories production, Connect Private Limited has planned setting up entries for barrier for its potential competitors. Now, if you remember, end May we were talking about they have created barriers. How they have created barriers, sir? By manufacturing in bulk quantities. Is that what will happen, sir? Their cost per unit will reduce. Now, this in economic language is called as economies of scale. So can I say here the option is economies of scale. Sir, it is nothing. Economy matlab you are getting benefit of bulk production, bulk buying, bulk selling, etc. So answer would be D, sir. So now let us discuss second MCQ. Till now we were discussing first MCQ where 5 parts were there, sir. Second MCQ. Wellwell Limited is a full service airline. The company is making the following decisions. What is the decision, sir? Should a no frill, low fare subsidiary be set up? Now, ICI is very much updated, sir. And if at all you have seen that movie, Tamil movie or Telugu mein also it is there, Akasham Ni Haddura. So it's available on Amazon Prime. Please do have a watch. Though I should not say this, people who are writing November exam, unke liye to nahi. After exam, please go and watch that movie. Fantastic movie. So there, if you remember, sir, can I say हमारा hero also Surya, है ना? So he has also gone for that type of strategy only, sir. Now what he has observed was in airline tickets price was very high. Reason being very simple, sir. Additional features etc. were available in the plane, sir. Now if at all we drop those additional features, our cost will also come down, sir. So here no frills matlab what, sir? Not giving extra features, dropping those extra features. इससे what will happen, sir? Our unnecessary cost will come down. इससे what will happen, sir? We can provide the tickets at lower price, sir. Okay. So here company is making this decision. So decision number one is what, sir? He should we drop those unnecessary features by which we can give the product at product ticket and a flight ticket at lower price. Next, if it is to be set up, what is to be set up, sir? If this strategy we have to follow, then How should be the cabin staff be recruited? So can I say here we are talking about appointment of staff, appointment of employees. Now, so these are decision two, decision number one, decision number two. Now, which of the above decision will be taken by corporate level managers? Now tell me, sir, your top level managers will be taking the decision of appointment of the staff? Answer is no. Can I say such decisions are to be taken by HR managers? Sir, will top management take the decision of point number one? Answer is yes. So can I say they are the one who has to decide whether we have to go for this type of strategy or not, sir, where we are reducing the features so that our cost will also come down. Now this type of decision will always be taken by your top level manager. So which decision will be taken by top level? Only one. So can I say answer is A. Read the following statements. Okay, let's read it. Functional level managers are, now can I say functional level? How many levels of managers are there, sir? Three levels. One is corporate level, one is business level, one is functional levels, also called as operational levels, sir. Okay. Functional level managers are responsible for specific business functions. Yes, this statement is true. Functional level managers take decisions related to human resource, purchase, product development, consumer service, and so on. Can I say so on? If you remember, we have one chapter called formulation of functional strategies. There, marketing is also there, R&D is also there. Now, anyway, R&D is covered here, where product development we are talking about. And HR is also covered here. Production is there, sir. And so such so on may production, marketing, etc. can come. Now this statement is also correct, sir. Now select the best correct alternative. What is the correct alternative? Both 1 and 2 truly explain the features of functional level managers. Answer is yes. So can I say when I got my answer A, and the remaining all are waste. Only one explains center. No. Only two explains center. No. None of them explains center. So can I say here answer is A. And a functional level manager take care after both the things, sir. Next. Get Well Soon Limited is a health provider and has only large edge of town hospitals. Okay, so this is one company dealing in hospitals, sir. It is considering setting up of additional, so can I say extra, additional small city center clinics. So they want to set up small clinics, sir, where less serious daily cases they have to consider. Matlab, if at all it is a severe case, है ना, obviously they will go to town hospitals only, sir. Otherwise, है ना, additional setup में less serious cases they want to take up, sir. Which of the following will fall under implementation? Okay. So which activity will come under implementation? Sir, accruing and fitting out clinics. Is this a part of implementation? Yes. Can I say this is one activity which will do in implementation? Sir, hiring staff is an activity of implementation? Yes. And sir, where you will find these answers? If you remember chapter number 4 may we do have stages of strategic management. And so there you will be finding this question, sir. So this is also we do during implementation. This also we do during implementation. Publicity, answer is yes. Marketing, etc. Liaison, matlab acting as a coordinator between whom, sir? Doctors and hospitals. Yes, this is also we do during implementation. So which activity we do during implementation, sir? All the activities. So can I say A, B, C, D? So here answer is D, sir. Which of the following statement is true? So here what you should assume, sir, the other three statements are false. So we have to find out which statement is true, sir. Consumer, customer are always the same. This is false. Customer may or may not be a consumer. This is true. So can I say we have found the true statement, sir. Environmental study is optional. No, it is mandatory. This is false. Micro environment is a part of internal environment. Now this statement is true but not completely true, sir. Why? Micro environment is internal environment, not part of internal environment. Micro environment is nothing but internal environment. So B would be a more better answer. The niche market, niche strategy is niche strategy matlab kya, sir? Here we are trying to find out certain targeted customers. So here we are trying to find out, you know, specific customers. See, different people have different needs, sir. So here we are trying to find out those type of customers who are having special requirements, who are having what, sir? Special requirements. So niche strategy is the best way to enter in which market, sir? New market, yes, this is correct. Growing market, yes, this is also correct. Matured market, this is also correct, sir. D, obviously not, sir. Now, sir, all three are correct. Now you can go. See, simple. Niche matlab kya, sir? Sir, I am targeting, or I am trying to manufacture that type of a product which will meet the requirement of not all the customers, but specific class of customers. है ना? So say for example, if I bring my SM material and that too for CA students, sir. Now here my material will meet only requirement of SM students only, and that too CA students only, not all, sir. So can I say I have in this big market and a students ka market mein, we are now focusing only on niche area, sir. So here also niche strategy is good way to enter into which market, sir? Answer is all. But here one word you have to find out, best. Where it will be best, sir? So can I say in matured markets? Why, sir? Matured market matlab kya, sir? Where market growth is not there, sir. Market growth is less, sir. In other words, and new customers are not there, sir. So can I say when new customers are not there, try to find out customers ka specific requirement, and now you create your own requirement by manufacturing those products, sir. So this will be more beautiful in matured markets, sir, rather than in other markets. Okay, that is how it is, sir. Now, if required, I can explain you in this way also, sir. Now, say for example, old syllabus. Now, today, old syllabus ITSM is a matured market, sir. Why it is a mature market? New students will not come in ITCC, ITSM. Whoever are there, existing students are only there, sir. Now, sir, imagine a scenario if a new faculty wants to expand himself in this market, sir, which ITSM market, sir. Now what he should do, sir? Now maybe he may come up with some question bank, whereby what he might have assumed was most of the faculties are not giving that question bank, sir. So if at all he can bring with a new, what you say, area, maybe these students may be willing to buy that material. So can I say in matured market also he is able to provide his book or not, sir? Answer is yes. So can I say, did he go for a niche strategy? Yes. Something different? Yes. With some additional features? Yes. So can I say that additional features के साथ if you go in a mature market, still consumers will be willing to buy from you, sir. That is the point they are talking about. So the way MCQs were drafted are excellent, sir. These are those MCQs and these are those questions where you have to apply brains, and sometimes you should know those English ka words also, sir. Maybe exam में that word का meaning if you don't know, maybe you will be not in a position to write the correct answers, no frills मतलब क्या, sir? Here we want to reduce the unnecessary cost by giving you low, what you say, comfort products only. So we don't want to add additional features whereby we will increase our cost, sir. So here very nice way license, so this type of words generally we don't use in our day-to-day vocabulary, sir, but yes, in our questions they do appear, sir. Anyway, now from here all are very simple questions, sir. Easily we can answer them. Now chapter number 1 say they have taken two questions. Manager faces different problems while trying to understand the environment, sir. In other words, as a manager, when you are analyzing the environment, what problems you face, sir? So what problems you face, sir? If you remember, memory technique is a duck. Now what is that, sir? Diversified influences or diversity, you can say, uncertainty, complexity, sir. If at all you are referring our material, I'll just show you also, sir. So you can see here diversified influence, chapter number 1, uncertainty, complexity. So this is question number 1, sir. Next, what are the strategic responses of organization to its environment, sir? So what type of responses you can have to the environment, sir? So can I say there, I told you three types of responses are possible, sir. One is proactive, one is reactive, and one is no response. Now, this is only for understanding, but what you have to write in exam, sir? Dynamic response, proceed with caution and least resistance. So can I say this was the answer which you have to write, sir? So you can see that also in our material. So what are the strategic responses? So one is dynamic, proceed with caution, least resistance. Least resistance मतलब you don't want to change. Sir proceed with caution मतलब you want to change but हौले हौले हल्लू हल्लू है ना, मिल लगा है ना, ऐसा you want to. Anyway, dynamic मतलब proactive response. Okay, so this is over. Then we have chapter number 2 में से questions. Now here ninth question was very beautiful, sir. Here even though you know the answer most of the time and you will be clean bold only. Let's see. Mr. Raj has been hired as a CEO by XYZ Limited of one XYZ Limited is one FMCG, sir, fast moving consumer good company. Okay, that has diversified into cosmetic products. So this company is in cosmetic products, sir. Okay, beauty. So they are into beauty centers. Now, the company intends to launch feel good brand of cosmetics. So they did not launch the products, so they want to launch cosmetic products. XYZ wishes to enrich, wishes to मतलब करना चाह रहे हैं, they want to do it, sir. Wishes to enrich the lives of people with its product that are good for skin. Okay, so this is one feature they want to give, sir. So they want to develop that type of a cosmetic product which is good for skin and which is produced in an ecologically beneficial manner, sir. Okay, using herbal ingredients. How can I say herbal ingredients? Most of the cosmetic products may not be good for your skin also, sir. So here these products are good for skin also, sir, and also ecologically good, sir, and so they are not harming the environment also. Okay, so as a company ka they are asking you to draft a vision, sir. Now draft a mission, sir. Now this is a wonderful question. So generally we are prepared for definition of vision, definition of mission. Now here the question is out of syllabus. Matlab, I'm not saying this is out of syllabus, but this is beyond our purview. We might have never thought कि ऐसा question can also come in your materials, sorry, in your exams. So in other words, they are asking you कि you apply your own brains, you assume yourself as Mr. Raj, and who is a CEO of this company, and now you please draft a vision for this company and mission for this company. Now simple. Now can I say first understanding what you should have is what is a vision, sir? Vision is something which you have already achieved or you want to achieve, sir. Can I say vision is something which we want to achieve in future? So can I say it is a roadmap of company's desired future image? And sir, mission is means to achieve the end. Means to achieve. So it is talking about present business scope. Who is talking about present business scopes or missions? Okay. So in other words, vision will tell you the end. Mission will tell you means to achieve that end. Okay. Now you have to write one vision statement, sir. Now here thoda aapka English drafting skill will also come into picture. Now what this company wants to be, sir? Can I say they want to establish themselves in which market, sir? Cosmetic market, sir. So can I say to be a leading brand, to be a leading brand in cosmetics, or you can say to be a leading brand in beauty center. And why I'm using the word to be? Can I say this is in future you want to achieve, sir? Now how you will achieve this, sir? By providing herbal ingredients. So this is what means to achieve, sir. By providing ecological beneficial goods, by providing those consumer goods which are good for skin, sir. So these are things which we will do. If we do like this, then this will happen. What will happen? We will become a leading brand in cosmetic oblique and beauty markets. So you may see the answer also which is provided. So here very good way of presentation is what, sir? First you define what is vision and then write down what could be a good vision statement. So it may have, it matlab company may have vision. What, sir? Now from here they start, sir, to be India's largest beauty care company that improves look, gives extraordinary feeling, and brings happiness to people, sir. Now these are creative lines, and so maybe even if that does not come, sir, now whatever I wrote there, that also if you write, that is more or less a correct answer only. So everywhere to be. Now how you will achieve that, that we will be writing in mission, sir. Dekho. So here we want to enhance the lives of people. Enhance there, in which was the word used. Same you can use, sir. Sir, we want to protect the skin from harmful environmental rays. That is what I mean by ecological point they were talking about. So they want to use natural ingredients. That is what herbal points they were talking about. So language they have changed. Otherwise, more or less the wordings are same, sir. So this is how SM paper may be, sir. And if at all they want to screw you, this is how they can screw you. So most of the time people will write something or the other, and they will be not scoring their better marks. Sir, here more weightage is to be given for drafting vision rather than defining vision and mission. I'm not saying that you have to not write the definition of vision and mission. Please do write, sir. But if at all this question comes for 4 marks, maybe vision mission definition will give you only 1 mark. Remaining, that the drafting of vision and mission will give you other 3 marks. Okay, that is one point, sir. Now, corporate strategy should be partly proactive, partly reactive. Answer is yes. Can I say proactive when? While formulating, and you have to know what is happening in the environment, sir. And based on unanticipated changes, you have to change accordingly. That is reactive. So, corporate strategy is a blend of both reactiveness also and proactiveness also. Now, what is situational analysis? Can I say situational analysis is analyzing of as is a situation. As is situation, matlab current situation. It's simple. Sir, if you are buying a new house, you are already having one house, you are thinking of buying a new house. So can I say, when you want to buy a new house, you should know what problems were faced in existing house. What good things were there in existing house. Why? Sir, those good things you also want to have in your new house. Those problems you should not face in new house. Agreed? So can I say, when you are thinking of buying a new house, first you should analyze what are good things, what are bad things with your existing house. So that analysis which you are doing with respect to your environment, and while formulating the strategy, this is what I mean by situation analysis. So here you may consider product situation, you may consider distribution situation, how your product is getting distributed, how is your product there, sir, and sir, what type of opportunities are there, what issues you are facing, sir. So all these points you have to look into situation analysis. So you can see what is situation analysis, what factors you should consider. So what factors you should consider, sir? Distribution situation you should consider, product situation you should consider, and a competitive situation you should consider. Sir, opportunities, issues which you are facing, that also should be considered. So these are some factors which you have to consider. So chapter 3 may you will find that question, sir. Write a short note on ADL matrix in assessing competitive positions. Now ADL is Arthur D. Little, sir. Now Arthur D. Little has proposed his matrix taking two components as variables. Now what are those two components as variables, sir? One is stage of product in PLC and next is competitive position. Now here they are not asking you to construct the matrix. They are only asking you to assess the competitive positions. Now what were the competitive positions, sir? Now business competitive positions can be classified into 5 parts. What are those, sir? Dominant, strong, favorable, tenable, weak. So dominant matlab you are the man, है ना? So this is a company which is having considerable degree of freedom. What is what I'm using, sir? These are keywords which you have to repeat, sir. Considerable degree of freedom. So this is that company where competitors are there, but you are having reasonable degree of freedom. Favorable matlab kya, sir? Competitors are there, you are also enjoying the market, they are also enjoying the market, sir. So you can't say that who is number one, who is number two. All are enjoying the market. That is what I mean by favorable positions. Sir, tenable position मतलब क्या sir? Here company is facing stiff competition. Weak मतलब क्या sir? You are having unfavorable मतलब you are not giving any competition. In fact, you are facing the competition. Okay, so these are those 5 competitive positions. You have to describe them also, sir. These are those keywords which you have to use. Now chapter 4, they are talking about strategic planning. Now let's take small question first. What is a divestment strategy? Can I say, if at all you remember, retrenchment mein we have 3 types, or retrenchment mein 3 ways of retrenchment are possible. One is turnaround, one is divestment, and third wala is what, sir? Liquidation, sir. Now if you remember our case study question, sir, so what was the name of the company, sir? Popia. Connect Private Limited, sir. Okay, okay. So if at all you see that Connect Private Limited, now can I say initially they went for mobile also, they also went for accessories, sir. Okay, subsequently mobile business did not click, sir. So can I say they stopped it and they went for accessories, sir. So here this company has gone for retrenchment, but more specific answer is divestment. So divestment means killing the entire business, no. Can I say divestment may only part of the business is discontinued, only one particular business, one particular part of the business, and or a small SBU which is not profitable now is closed, sir. And so entire business is not closed. If you close the entire business, then that is called liquidation strategies. Similarly, what circumstances may you can go for divestment, sir? Maybe your business is being what, sir? Non-competitive, sir. Sir, day by day your market share is declining, sir. Sir, you are having a better alternative, sir. Sir, product is being uncompetitive, sir. So technological obsolescence. So these are some reasons when you will adopt which strategy, sir? Divestment. Maybe you have opted for turnaround, but that has failed, sir. So these are some cases when you will be going for divestment. So in other words, किन किन संदर्भों में आप डाइवेस्टमेंट करेंगे, सो इन इन संदर्भों में हम डाइवेस्टमेंट करेंगे. That is what the point is. So this is simple answer. Now let's read patiently, है ना? What is this question all about, sir? Okay. So general public is discraining from buying. Discraining मतलब they are denying from buying air conditioning units based on health ministry guidelines regarding emergence of contagious viral pandemics. So people at large are not willing to buy air conditioners. Okay. Consequently, Nebula Private Limited, a manufacturer of evaporation coils used in air conditioning unit, has faced significant loss significant loss in working capital due to sharp fall in demand, sir. Obviously, can I say, when public are becoming more and more aware towards the product, sir, and that product they are not buying, so obviously their demand will come down. The company conducted a financial assessment and developed a workable action plan based on short and long term financial needs. But for immediate needs, a emergency plan, okay, emergency plan they have prepared. It includes selling scrap, so they want to sell their scrap. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sorry, sir. So it includes selling scrap, asset liquidation, and overheads cost reduction. Further, to avoid any such untoward event in future, they plan to diversify in newer business. Okay, so they also want to go for new business along with its core business. Identify and explain the strategy opted by Nebula Private Limited, sir. Now, sir, what strategies they can go for, sir? So can I say these are strategies of Gluick and Jock? Now Gluick and Jock has given you four strategies. One is stability, one is growth, one is retrenchment, and one is combination. Okay. So here, if at all somebody asks me, sir, so can I say here company wants to do two things. One is what, sir? They have prepared some emergency plan. What is that emergency plan, sir? Scrap co based, then asset liquidation, overhead cost. So they have prepared some emergency plan. Also, they want to diversify. So can I say emergency plan they have prepared? So obviously this will come under retrenchment. Retrenchment will be turnaround. So turnaround also they are doing. Diversification. Diversification is nothing but what, sir? Expansion. That is growth. So in other words, company has adopted two strategies at the same time. So here my answer would be combination. So better answer should be what, sir? Combination strategy. But when you read the answer, sir, most of the time this is not a first time question, sir. Sir, in old RTPs also this question used to come, sir. But ICI ka answer may you will be only finding answers is given is with respect to turnaround only, sir. They do not talk anything about this part, sir. But can I say when you write these things in your question, you should also give answer for that part also. So better answer would be a combination strategy because here we are adopting two strategies. But here in ICICA suggested answers in this RTP also you will be finding they only write about turnaround. They do not mention anything about this diversity. Okay, so if at all question comes in exam, my sincere advice would be you write down both the answers, sir. The company is going for turnaround at first instance and then expansion at second instance. So company has gone for combination strategies. As a clearly if you can mention that would be well enough, sir. But always remember check for how many marks the question has been asked. If it is asked for 7 marks, then you can write this also, and then give the conclusion. But if question is asked for only 4 marks, then better maybe you will go for turnaround only, sir. Because first what company has done is prepared one emergency plan. Now remember turn around matlab kya, sir? Coming back to a normal situation. Turn around matlab what, sir? Whatever decline in market share is happening, sir, you want to stop that and come back to normal position. That is what turnaround is. Reversing the process of decline is the word used in our study material, sir. Okay. Now let us come to chapter number 5. If required, you may see the answer also of turnaround. So you can see here turnaround, meaning of turnaround strategy, reasons when company go for turnaround strategies, and what should be the action plan, sir. So first you should know what is the problem, sir. Sir, you have to understand the situation and prepare a plan, then implement it, restructure your business, and you have to come back to the normal position. These are those 5 stages or actions, and these are elements of turnaround strategy. Anyway, this question is not discussed there, so that's the reason I will not talk about this. Now let's go for next question, sir. Again, first let us see what they want. Product promotion strategy. So in other words, here some promotion is happening, sir. Now, if you remember, sir, 4 P's of marketing. 4 P's of marketing may you have one of the P which is promotion. 4 P's. So here one is price, है ना? Price है, product है. So here one of the P is what, sir? Promotions. Now promotion can be done in 4 ways. Now what are those, sir? One is your personal selling. One is your advertisement. One is sales promotion. So here one another P is what, sir? Place. So another wala here is publicity. So presently the question is talking about promotion. So which promotion company has gone for? Let's see the question, sir. So, Mr. Vicky Verma, a Gwalior-based entrepreneur, has entered into an exclusive retail deal with an Italian company selling Fantasy 3D, a hologram LED fan. Okay, they want to sell the fan, which is being used for advertisement at public places. Mr. Verma procured 500 units of product and paid upfront as per the seller's policy. This resulted in blocking of his working capital significantly, and shipment is expected in a month. Meanwhile, his continued efforts of establishing relationship with marketing heads of corporate resulted in series of meeting where he demonstrated, wow, where you are showing your products, sir. So obviously I need not read any other question. When you demonstrate the product, that is only possible in personal selling. I used to take in class example of that Harpik sir. Can I say ting tong amara abba sata, where is your toilet? So can I say there physically he is showing you the product, sir. Can I say is say attraction of that product will be very high, sir. Yes, it is not possible for public at large, but door to door selling or personal selling is way in which interaction with customers is very high, sir. So here, which product promotion strategy they have gone for, sir? Personal selling. So there you have to write with respect to personal selling. So this is a direct question, R&D. So can I say you can easily write what is R&D all about, sir? Sir, you have to go with innovative products and you have to make changes in existing product. So when you say make changes in existing product, can I say this could be product development, sir. And this is done with an intention for market penetration. These are similar answers of Igor answer. So can I say Igor answer said what, sir? We want to penetrate in the market, product development, market development, diversification. So in other words, if at all you want to develop a new product, obviously you have to do something called R&D. And if you want to penetrate in the market, sir, again you have to do something called R&D. Simple hai. Every time consumer will not buy your product as it is, sir. Over a period of time, demand of your product will come down, sir. So intention is to retain the customers. How is this possible, sir? By doing R&D. So is R&D very important? Yes, it helps in creating customers and retaining customers. Now strategy implementation and control, sir. Okay, let's see. Again, let's see what is the question. Type of organizational structure. So organizational structures are of various types. Now here, based on this situation, he is asking you to find out which organizational structure company is adopting. So Delta is an organization specializing in information technology. Now, needless to mention, whenever a company is using IT, is a job work of top will be there, bottom will be there, but middle wallow ka kaam will reduce. So scope of work. Now this is your scope of work. So scope of work of top is there, bottom is there. Can I say middle ka scope has reduced? Middle ka scope has reduced. So this is similar to your hourglass. So which structure this company is using, sir? Hourglass structure, because company is going for ITs. So you may patiently read this, you will understand. Here ERP word is also used. 18th question. Sir, what is the difference between transformational leader and transactional leader, sir? So can I say transformational leader, they bring their charisma and they motivate their followers, sir, in such a manner that followers or the people who are associated with these leaders, they will do tasks beyond their capabilities, sir. Transactional leaders, can I say these are those leaders which would like to maintain the current situation, would like to bring on existing things. Transformational leader will be more pecuniary, more what to say important when you are in chaotic situation at start of the stage, at end of the stage, sir. And so that answer we have to reproduce here, sir. Then seventh chapter में TQM में there are 14 principles discussed, sir. Now here, what did ICI do, sir? They have selected 3 principles or philosophies of TQM, and now they are asking you to explain, sir. So universal quality responsibility. In other words, quality responsibility should be taken by all levels of management. Sir, focus should be more on prevention rather than detection, sir. In other words, you have to remove the defect at input stage only and not at output stage, sir. Continuous improvement, sir. So you have to always look for more and more improvements. That is what we are talking about. Learning. Next, the next question he is talking about benchmarking. Now benchmarking के ऊपर specific video is available of mine sir. So I will be giving you the link, maybe है ना, that I button if you press now you will be able to find out the benchmarking का answer also sir. Okay, so benchmarking is nothing but एक performance targets. Sorry, benchmarking is nothing but what sir, एक best industry practice against which you will compare your measures, compare your activities for better performance oblique control. This will help you in improvement. Okay, so please go through this SM ka RTP sir. Now do RTPs say question comes, answer is yes, but more important would be your previous RTP compared to what's the current RTPs. So I have discussed both the RTPs, previous also and current also sir. So ensure that you take advantage of both sir. एक 40 minutes 50 minutes का discussion maybe है ना, this will help you in understanding the questions also, and also the approach in which the ICA has asked the questions. Okay, so make best utilization of this sir. Thank you very much.